Alright, y'all, it's your boy Ellis. Christmas Day. I guess it's like a vlog. Never done it before. Figured I'd try it. Because it shows, I guess, maybe on the other side. It probably won't happen that often. I still feel like shit. Don't really feel like going nowhere, but I went to my sister for Christmas. I'm gonna probably just chill and go get drunk until the giveaway. So let's go. All right, so we done made it out here with the fam. My nephews got in trouble, so it ain't no Wi-Fi. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this giveaway. Y'all, the giveaway will happen before y'all see this video, but it'll happen. Going on up the stairs. All these goddamn stairs.
Daddy, you already have one.
Niggas like getting older, not younger. Goes everybody. There's fam, there's Miss Ellis.
What is this?
It's my sister. One sister. It's another sister. It's my nephew, Commandre. You on the channel? Say what's up.
What's up?
Bro, he do want to be on my channel. Everybody wants to be on my channel. What do y'all do?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We got a friend. You don't have to join.
Well, now you don't want to play with me because you got a friend to play? That's all right. I got next.
You can hang out with the adults.
I got next.
That's what my mother always tells me.
I got next.
Stay in a child's place.
My mama bundled up. Why you bundled up like that? I said, why you bundled up like that?
You got that tornado.
Hey, how do you say?
Hey, you too.
I don't know how much I was supposed to be doing the giveaway today with the hats. 3 women. I was like, Bill was like, we ain't got no Wi-Fi. I was like, how am I supposed to do the giveaway without no Wi-Fi? Ain't folks without Wi-Fi. I gotta stay connected. Like the plug, I am the plug. I gotta be connected. Plug me in.
I know.
There go my brother-in-law over there. Huh? Go ahead, give him a Christmas update. What's going on with the car?
What kind of car do you have, sir?
I got an 83 Buick.
What type of Buick, sir?
Walk down.
What type of car is that? Electra.
Yeah, I forgot it is electric.
We all learned. We all learned that.
One day.
I thought it was just a park.
Yeah, I thought it was too.
Like
Cause later,
like 9596 is just a park.
later they make them just as a Park Avenue. But
Yeah, so I thought I just had a park app because I like park apps.
He had told me that. I was like, oh.
He's like, that's an Electra. I'm like, an Electra?
Electra.
But yeah,
One of them damn gladiators, Electra.
What we doing with it is brake booster, water pump, power steering, alternator, everything on front of the motor just basically new.
We're touching it from the front to the back.
Right. There you go. We're pulling down 2020. Everybody pulling down next year.
And now Joe got me wanting to spray something under there. Thinking about painting something.
Oh, yeah, you did say that?
Yeah, so I think we're going to go ahead and get that started this weekend. Well, I don't think that's what we're doing this weekend.
No.
We're going to take the parts out and start busting it down. New gas, new thermostat, new water pump, probably new radiator too. That way they ain't worried about it running hot.
Right. Make sure it goes, make sure it don't overheat, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Mother, brother-in-law, David. He ain't you got I don't know if he got a slab light.
No, I don't got slab life yet, but I see y'all got going on.
He into the tuners though. He's running into the slab.
Yeah, I was thinking about giving me a Honda. Megan said nah.
Why not?
Megan said no more cars. She
I ain't
said,
gonna lie, right now he doing pretty good with you. You got the colors,
yeah, this
you got the
is.
capris.
She said one gotta
Yeah,
go.
you got the two,
Yeah.
two of them killer.
Yeah, toot on everything. Toot on everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know. The Rippy might go. Look at Miss LS face.
I don't understand why you always try to throw me up under the bus.
Bro, you not under the bus.
I told you could swap.
Nobody wants to swap.
Said, we're not adding that.
Nobody wants to swap. Appreciate it. Alright, well, we finna get into the festivities and I'm gonna figure out how we gonna do this giveaway without no Wi-Fi. I might have to go down the street to McDonald's and link up to the Wi-Fi and do the giveaway that way. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I might have to. Who? Okay. Well, yeah. Well, when I get home, I might not feel like doing it. Y'all stay tuned. We don't know. I might be good and drunk by the end. You gonna get me copyrighted? Now I'm gonna have to cut your music out. Yeah. Christmas dinner at 2 o'clock. Believe that. You know, black people used to don't eat about 5 or 6. I gotta say that was one of my greatest fears, but we are good. I said one of my greatest fears coming here. I know how we run it, or you run it at our house. I'm gonna eat. I'll cut y'all back on after this. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LS254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.